everybody, Benny the Squirrel here. We're going to learn Allegro from Suzuki Book 1. It's an easy song, so come and join me at the piano and let's get started. Okay, well, squirrels have a hard time playing this song, but let's bring that guy over to play. Come here, 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 come here. Okay, watch how he does it. Okay, so start up there on G. Alright, then use your second finger. That's this one right here. Alright, then 3, 4, 5, 3. And make those notes real short. Okay? Like me, I'm short. I'm not a very tall squirrel. I'm just a little guy. Okay, now use this finger, your thumb. Then cross over with your third finger. And more staccato notes. That means short notes. Very, 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 very short. Okay, let's do the whole thing now. Do it again. Middle part. Last part. Alright, let's take a look at it from up above, okay? Here we go. Yay! Now we need to learn the left hand. It's pretty easy. There's only 3 chords. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so middle C is right. Show us where middle C is. Okay. All right, now put your thumb on the note above middle C. All right, good. Then third finger and pinky. All right, so we got these 3 notes. G, B, and D. All right, the next chord, G, C. Use your second finger. And E, E, G, C, E. And then we go back to G, B, D. And the other chord is F sharp. So you gotta go way down there to F sharp. Then your 2 on middle C, yes. And then D up here. And then the chords go like this. And do it again. Wait there, wait until I tell you to go. Okay, go. Okay, now we're going to have to put hands together, so I'm going to take a little break and let the guy do both hands at the same time. Okay, come on, guy. good. Now I know a lot of Suzuki teachers are going to be mad at me for not teaching how to go down, up, down, up. Wait a minute. Down, up, down, up. But, you know, if you play it like this, the first note would be loud. Then the second note is soft. Hey, move that camera down. Let me go fix that camera. So play the first note kind of loud, and then a softer one, and then do the same with all those repeated notes. Yeah, that'll sound great. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the song. Now down in the description I put a few links to some other songs in book 1 and maybe a few in book 2 where I teach you how to play, alright? Because I'm really good at piano. Okay, I'll see you all real soon. Bye-bye.